Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this Impact Shopify theme review. So this video is going to be useful for individuals who are deciding whether or not to use the Impact theme for their Shopify store. And so I've been using the Impact theme for about 8 months now, and I must say that it's definitely one of the most conversion-focused themes that I've tried out. But here are some things that you have to be aware about. Now, first, let's start off with the pros. With Impact theme, you do get a really clean modern design that's built specifically for conversions. Plus, it has tons of customization options, and the mobile experience feels excellent, but one of the downsides is that it can be pretty expensive at like $350, and if you're not tech savvy, some of the customization options can be overwhelming. Now, the biggest cons of Impact Theme though is that although it looks professional, you do have to spend time learning how to customize it properly. And what I mean by that is that there are so many settings and layout options that it's easy to make your site look cluttered if you don't know what you're doing. So some days I love how clean and professional my store looks. Other days I spend hours trying to figure out why something isn't displaying correctly with the Impact theme. I think the best conversion rate I've gotten was like a 4%, but I've also had periods where my site looked messy because I was experimenting with too many features. Other things with Impact theme that I didn't like or don't like currently is that it can be slow to load if you add too many apps or high resolution images. And sometimes the theme updates break customizations that you've made. And unlike simpler themes where everything just works, Impact requires more maintenance and attention to keep it running smoothly. Now, with the Impact theme though, one thing to keep in mind is that you do have to take into account the upfront costs, potentially hiring a developer if you want advanced customizations, okay? So while the theme itself is like $350 when I bought it, you might end up spending more if you need professional help to get exactly what you're looking for and how you want it. Now, with Impact theme though, there can be some compatibility issues with certain Shopify apps. So my recommendation is that you check if all your essential apps work properly with the theme before you fully commit to it. For me, for example, I had some issues with my review app displaying correctly and had to contact support to fix it. Now, here are my 3 tips for people who want to try out the Impact theme first. First tip is to use their demo store to really explore all the features before you commit to buying, because it's a significant investment upfront, especially if you're just starting. You'd want to make sure it has everything that you need, and I spent hours going through their demo and testing different layouts before I actually purchased it. Second tip is start with one of their preset layouts and customize gradually rather than trying to build everything from scratch. I made the mistake of starting with a blank template and got overwhelmed with all the options. So pick a preset that's close to what you want and modify it. Third tip is optimize your images and be selective about apps because Impact can get slow if you're not careful about performance. I learned to compress all my product images and only install essential apps to keep the site loading quickly. My rule of thumb is if you're not doing like a lot of money per month in sales, the theme cost might not be justified yet. But with the Impact theme though, I'd say it's been a really good investment overall. My conversion rates have definitely improved by like a few percent since switching to it, and customers often comment on how professional the store actually looks. Plus, the Impact customer support is excellent when you run into any issues with customization. So with that being said, if you're considering Impact theme, I'd say just try it out. You won't know until you try it out though. Just make sure that you're prepared for the learning curve upfront and the upfront investment. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.